Welcome to Advanced Technical Learning channel. In formatting, you will learn cell formatting. In cell formatting, you will see fonts, alignment, border, and fill, adjusting column width and row height, wrap text, and merge and center. Number formatting. In number formatting, you will see how to change the format number in currency, percentage, and date and time. Let's see on the Excel screen. When you see there is ribbon, in ribbon there is many sections: clipboard section, font, alignment, number, style, cells, and editing section. I have written some data on my Excel worksheet. Suppose I want to change the format of the name column. I have selected name column and then go to the font section. Now I can select any type of font. I can increase or decrease font size also. If I want to change the font color, I go to font color and I can change the font color. If I want to fill complete cell, so let's select the data and go to the fill option, then select any color. If I want to add borders to my table, then I go to borders, then select any border. Alignment. If I want to change the alignment of the text, I simply select the data and go to alignment section. I can change the alignment at the left side or in middle or at the right side of the table. Adjust column width and row height. When you move your cursor in between the column letters, you will see the plus sign. With the help of this, you can change the column width. When you move your cursor on row numbers, you will see plus sign again. With the help of this, you can adjust row height, wrap text, and merge and center. As you seeing in this B column, you see the names are not showing properly. After selecting name column, you can simply click on the wrap text. It will automatically show in a single cell. I have written students workbook in a cell. If I want to show it in between four cells, I'll simply select all four cells and then I go to merge and center. It will automatically merge the cells, and if I don't want that, I simply select the cell and go to merge and center. The cells will unmerge. I have written some point values. I want to convert in a percentage. So I simply select the data and go to percent. It will automatically change in a percentage. I have entered some data. If I want to convert this into a currency form, I'll simply select the data and go to currency and select the currency. It will add the currency sign before the data. I have written some dates. If I want to change this type of date into another type, I simply select the date and go to number section and select long date. It will automatically show the date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.